Welcome back. Now that we are started, we need to open up the box. What do we have here, Brianna? This is from who?
It's from Ender, yeah.
Ender 3. It's by Creality. It's the beginning series of a 3D printer. From what I've read, thank you, Frankly Built and Kira, for your channels. I've really learned a lot. Let's see what we got.
Wait. Have you guys subscribed yet?
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
And turn on post notifications. You have 3 seconds to subscribe and turn on those post notifications. 3,
2,
1.
Here we go. When working with blades, please supervise your kids. It's very sharp. Ooh, look at this. It's packaged pretty well. As you can tell, grab the camera. It's packaged pretty well. Look at all this stuffing.
Whoa.
It's a first impression. It's got some nice foam on it. And you get your after sale service card. I believe this is going to be your warranties or instructions when you have problems with it. You can contact these guys. This is pretty nice, though there's not too much parts to it. Let's see what we got here. This is what's this? Hold it up over there, Bree. That is called, open it up. That is your control panel, the click switch. You gotta be careful with that, so put it back. And here we go.